Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and brown color. Kids, so now you draw capital letters alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Kids, so now you draw F and use blue color. F for fish, G for God, H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon. Kids, so now you draw N, the alphabets of N, and use yellow color. N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella. Kids, so now you draw V, the alphabets of V, and use black color. V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Kids, so now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, so now you draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use green color. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.